Do you have a Facebook fan page and you want to enable the top fan badge to reward your commenters, people who share, people who are active on your page? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm Sheryl Loch with Ginger Roots Media, and in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step how to enable that button on your mobile. If you use desktop, I have a video for that, and I'll put a link to it so you can go over there and do it through your desktop. So on mobile, it's really quick and easy to do. There are a few things you should know before you do this. Some pages do not have this option. It used to be you had to have over 10,000 fans. You had to use a certain theme on your page. Those two things don't come into play so much anymore, but for some reason, Facebook is not giving the top fan badges out to some pages. Why? Because it's Facebook, and I have not found a rhyme or reason. You can try different themes. You can also try to get more activity on your page so Facebook sees there's a reason for you to have the top fan badge. So let's get on the mobile, head over to Facebook, get that badge enabled. Okay, here we are on my phone. We're going to find the Facebook app and click on that. Now it should open in your stream. You're going to go to the upper right and click on the three lines. Now you're going to look for your pages. Once you click on that, you're going to see an option to choose from the pages that you own or manage. Go ahead and choose the page you would like to add the top fan badge to and click on it. Now, once the page is opened, we're going to go to the very upper right and click on the gear. Once you've done that, scroll almost all the way to the bottom and look for Facebook badges. Go ahead and click on that. And now you can turn on the top fan badge. This is also where you can turn it off. There you go. Pretty easy once you see how to do it. So be sure to subscribe so that you can catch more tips and tricks and how-tos for Facebook.